What are the importance of understanding the self as an agribiosystems engineer in the future? Understanding the self helps me as a student identify my strengths and weaknesses by recognizing what I excel at and where I may need improvements. Being an engineering student, I can tailor my study strategies, seek assistance when necessary, and maximize my academic potential. This subject allows me to approach learning with confidence and effectiveness. Understanding the self fosters my resilience in the face of academic challenges. I encountered various obstacles throughout my academic journey, such as difficult coursework, time constraint, and exam pressure. Understanding the self enables me to recognize my strengths, manage my emotions, and develop mechanisms to navigate adversity. This maintains my mental well-being and overcome obstacles with perseverance and determination. Being self-aware, it makes me informed in making decisions, setting goals, and making choices with personal values and interests. Through understanding the self, my relationship building skills and effective communication lead me to positive interaction within my academic community, family, friends, and even in our church members.